Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's tutorial, I'll try to do the low signal 4G data speed test between the Poco X3 versus the Realme Narzo 30 Pro device. So these are kind of speed test which I'll be doing, friends, in most of the smartphones, testing the 4G data speed test when the signal is very low. So right now in this location near my house, so the 4G signals are really very low. So these are perfect time to test the 4G signals. So if you're staying in the rural area or any area particularly where the 4G signals are really low, then this video might be helpful for you or a lot. So right now I'll be using the same SIM card in both the phones and testing the 4G data low signal mode test. So let's see, friends, what will be the results are. And the Poco X3 has a problem of low signal 4G data speed test. So a lot of users, they did complain, and I did see a lot of comments regarding this Poco X3. But let's see how well the Poco X3 is compared with the Realme Narzo 30 Pro. So what are the differences and which phone will be having the better signals? We'll get to know all those details in this particular video. So let me quickly open the SIM from the Realme Narzo 30 Pro and let me try to use the SIM here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends, and also do check the links in description for what live wallpapers I am using in this video. So in case if you're interested to download those live wallpapers. So as you can see, right now I started to use the 4G SIM right now. So let me try to disable the Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi is disabled, and let me open the speed test application. So I think there is no speed test application. Let me try to download. So right now, friends, the application is successfully downloaded in this Realme Narzo 30 Pro. Let me try to test the 4G data connection. So right now you can see, friends, 4G signals are really low. It's kind of 2 to 3 percentage bar, as you can see clearly. And the speed test results were about 6 Mbps. You can clearly see the results. 6 Mbps I'm getting and 5 Mbps. You can see, friends. So with the low signal 4G data mode testing. So right now in the Realme phone, I was able to get 5.98 Mbps of download speed. So I'm just waiting for the upload speed to come. So once after this, I'll try to do the second time testing as well. So overall, I'll try to do 2 times testing the 4G data, so we can take the average of both. So let's see what will be the Poco X3's results will be there. So let me try to test again. Second time, you can see, friends, the 4G signals are kind of 5 decreased little bit. So don't forget to comment below, friends, if you're facing this kind of problem in the Poco X3, and I'll definitely find one of the solution how to fix that kind of issue very soon. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that kind of solution. So right now you can see the 4.29 Mbps. So overall you can take up to average of 5 Mbps. We'll consider the 5. So you can see the upload speed is kind of same, upload 4 Mbps, and right now it's 5 Mbps. So once after this test, I'll try to remove the SIM card and I'll try to use the same SIM card in the Poco X3 at same time. So in this way, we'll get to know how is the 4G data signals. So let me try to disable the SIM here. The SIM has been removed from the Realme phone, and now it's the time to test in this Poco X3 device. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, for more details, and let me try to quickly insert the SIM in this phone. So let's see what results we'll be seeing in this Poco X3. Interesting results. So let me try to disable the Wi-Fi connection. So Wi-Fi connection is disabled and the mobile data is on. So let me open the speed test application. So it is a speed test application. So is signals, as you can see, friends, on the top you are getting about, I think, 3 to 4 bar, and the 4G signals, you can see right now the speed is about 5 Mbps. I'm getting 5 decreased, as you can see 5 point. You can see the 4G signal right now, it's immediately decreased to 1 point. So this is what happening, friends. In the other phones, it's trying to be around 1 and maybe 2 and 3, but in this Poco X3, sometimes it's randomly disappearing the 4G signal. So this is a problem which is happening in the Poco X3, particularly this phone I did observe. So I did not face this kind of problem in any other smartphone, but only in the Poco X3 I started to see again and again this kind of problem where the 4G signals, it will be around 4 points, suddenly it will come down to 1 point, and again it will try to disappear. So this is a problem in the Poco X3's 4G network. So it's not consistent with the high speed. The average of two tests in the Poco X3 is about 4 Mbps. So whereas the Realme Narzo 30 Pro scored about slightly higher points than the Poco X3. So let me try to open the results so you can compare the results side by side. So you can see, friends, how the results are. And in the upload speeds, you can see always the Realme phone scored 4 Mbps, above 4 Mbps. But in the Poco X3, you can see the upload speeds, it's kind of struggling a lot to finish the test itself. So let me try to show you the top 2 results or the Poco X3's results. You can see the upload speeds only 1 Mbps and a 4.6 Mbps in this Realme phone, as you can see, friends. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between both the smartphones, but overall the 4G signals were really consistent in the Realme phone, not in the Poco X3 device. So if you're watching first time this channel, don't forget to subscribe, friends. Also do check the links for the live wallpapers what I'm using in this video. I'll try to do this same kind of 4G data comparison even with other smartphones as well. So make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.